Today, we have something really cool. Okay, so today I printed off a switch panel. I use the Oxbeam 8-gang switch panel. I have it already mounted in my Jeep. The location's great, but when I found this guy, I absolutely fell in love with it. So let me show you where it's gonna go. All right, so on my dash, I have it mounted right here. It's kind of a cool location, but what I find is that it's always hidden behind my steering wheel. So where this guy goes, let me get my coffee cup out of the way, is that this mounts right there. So I gotta take the cigarette lighter out, sorry, the cigarette holder out, and then I'll be able to take the plate and match it right up there. So I'll have to do a little wire running, but man, whatever, it's cool. So a quick little pro tip, when you're trying to fish wires and stuff like that down through center consoles, get yourself a piece of wire, like galvanized, like I use fencing wire because it's nice and sturdy. But all you do is you're able to fish it down through all the center console to where you need to grab the wire, put it through, wrap it around it, and then pull it back out. So that's what I gotta do for the center console. And then it is pretty much done. So as you can see, center console's out, got my switch panel in, and I'm gonna fish the wire down through until I can get it to, I'm actually feeling it. Oh, I just poked myself, so that's good. So make a loop, stick my little connector in. Put a couple wraps on it. So it's nice and tight. And then be able to just kind of fish it back up through. Or if I need to, which is super easy to do. And I'm gonna get you turned around here. There it is. So yeah, really quite easy. Okay, last little thing we need to do is just slide my center console back into place and get it snapped in. And then on the switch panel, I'm going to pull it out just a little bit. I'm going to put some double-sided tape on it so it doesn't move around like that. And we're going to check it all out, which there it is. So awesome. Okay, switch panel is done. It's in and it looks amazing. 10-minute project. It took longer to print out the base plate for it, but it is sweet. Look at that. It looks almost factory, and the thing is just beautiful. It's nice and sturdy. The switch panel's in. I used 3M double-sided tape on the back side of it, and now it is ready to rock and roll. So let's see if I can show you my whip in the back. Whip it up. There it is. So yeah, it's going to be a lot more convenient to deal with it this way. The only caveat to this is that the shifter when it comes down into the one, its clearance right here is very, very, very tight. So go out, get creative, make. Do the things that most people aren't going to do, because it's going to make your life way easier and way more fun. So until next time, stay safe, stay frosty. We'll see you soon.